This is Vanity Part 2. Hey, thank you for coming back. This is Vanity Part 2 with Cyntes Leo's workshop. So hope you like it. This time we finished everything and we installed everything. We're not going to show you the whole installment because we had some problem when we went to install it, but everything worked out good. It was just me working by myself, and my daddy was in pain, but he still helped me install it. So I hope you like it. So this is where we left off at. Remember we put the stain, we started putting the stain on there. And we're not going to show you all of the thing that we've done, how many coats we put on there, but we're going to tell you we put at least 3 coatings of wood stain, and then we started to put the polyurethane, at least 3 of them on there also. So we hope you like it and stay tuned. You know, this was a long time in the making for me. I drove down from California 2,000 miles just to come down there to do some woodwork, so I hope you like it. Don't forget, once again, subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with somebody. Well, we almost finished the job. Well, let's go take a look and see where we at right now. It's early in the morning over here in New Orleans. So I'm about to put another coating on there. Let's take a look at the doors. Oh, I left the can open last night. And the drawers. Now this is the 3rd coating of wood stain we're putting on here before we can put the polyurethane. So we have to let it sit at least 8 hours. And by tomorrow, if the Lord will, we'll start putting on the polyurethane. But here in New Orleans, it's kind of cold, so I have to let it sit and dry a little longer than normal before we can start doing the clear coating on there. So let this dry and then we'll start the next one. Okay, we're coming to the roundhouse now. I'm about to suit up and put some polyurethane on there, about at least 2 to 3 coatings on there. I just finished putting another coating like 6-7 hours ago of some stain. So I'm gonna get ready to put some polyurethane. So let me get suited up. Now this is the easy part, putting the clear finish on here. I'm using a foam brush. I usually use an expensive paintbrush so no bristle can be left over on there while we painting. So right now I'm just using a foam brush. There's also the wipe on polyurethane you can use, but I just like using the one in the can. To me it's much easier. So I'm using a foam brush, and then I switch over to a smaller foam brush to catch the cracks. So we're gonna speed it up a little, not gonna let you sit there and watch the whole thing while we're doing this. It might get too boring. I have to build another vanity again. This one's gonna be for my wife. We're gonna make this one out of oak wood because it's real strong and hard oak wood. And this one I'm gonna put even secret compartments in there. I'll be videotaping that. So I hope you like this one right here. If you like this one, I'm able to share the other one. So let me speed this up and move on to the next one. Okay, this is where I'm at. I'm finished everything right now. I'm just putting it back together. It's real late at night right now. It's like 11 something, close to 12 o'clock, and it's time for me to go to bed. I just want to, if the Lord will, I'll install it tomorrow. But I'm gonna just put everything together so you can see what it looked like after it's finished. All the polyurethane, the stain, everything is done, looking good. So hope you like it too. Well, I'm just going to assemble everything right now and get it ready for the next day so we can install it. Just want to take a quick look and see how it looks. Rather than wake up and put everything together, I'd rather just put it now and go take the rest that I need. Doing woodwork is like a puzzle. You first started off with just a sheet of plywood, and then you start making your cuts, and then you start to see everything coming together. I like to see when everything starts to come together. That's when I really get into it. Sometimes I don't want to stop, and I know I have to go to sleep like right now, and I'm getting close to being finished. So it just makes me want to go all the way. Even though I'm so tired, but I'm still going all the way just to try to get it all together. But everything is looking pretty good. And I'll be ready on the next day to set everything up. I'm not gonna show the whole installation at all. I'm just gonna put it in and show you a picture how it looks when it's install. Well, I've got everything loaded on the truck. It's time to go set it in place. So let's see how it works. The only thing I'm worried about is that I make the measurement too precise, but I think everything will work out. Just now install it. Everything is in place. Hope you liked the video. Share, like it, leave your comments, bad comments, good comments. It's all accepted.